The channel. You're like, what is that amazing looking notch behind me? Yeah, the new giveaway car for my premium subscribers. If you're not one of my premium subscribers, link is right down in the description. Definitely check that out, as well as you just saw horsepower sweepstakes. But anyway, guys, let's check out a little bit of stage one here. All right, so if you caught the last video, you saw we went ahead and got the engine and everything out of the donor car. Excuse me. Now here's a little history on this car. This is an original V8 car. So we're about to get it inside, get on the lift, take some inventory. Car was originally white. Somebody primered it, but we just did a lot of pressure washing. Got some of the primer off, but I mean, this thing is Southern car from day one. I'll show you here. I say we just pressure washed it, so I'm trying to get some of the grime off of it. But the good thing about this car is it's in so much better shape overall than we started with 4 to 8. You guys remember 4 to 8, we did a hell of a transformation, and of course Project Two-Tone. But this is a original V8 rust-free LX notch, and originally white. And this car, I don't know if we can beat two-tone with it, but it's going to be quite a bit better. Very excited. Of course, Nick is going to paint it. Got new quarter glasses for it. Restore the interior. Put it back V8 again. And if you caught the last video, for some reason in my head, I've got a supercharger. Also, and I'm not sure if we're going to do this yet. We may. Got a UPRK member and coilovers over there, and it's not doing anything. So good idea. The main thing is it's gonna have the meaty stance. It's gonna be slammed with 315s on the rear. Guys, I'm telling you, if there was anything we could do to top two-tone, which is very hard, this is gonna be it. All right, I guess we'll get the first official up the skirt view. We don't have a name yet. I just been calling it Project Notch, but
we'll come up with something.
Yeah, guys, drop us a comment below. We need a name for the Project Notch. All right, let's get her in the air, see what we're working with here. All right, so
Some new shocks. Never seen
yeah, brand new shocks. What are those?
Yeah.
I don't know.
How about?
Look at that, rust free. Man, this thing's clean under here.
Like somebody spray painted the bottom black there.
Yeah.
Piece of plexi. Yeah, so no mice can get in. Oh.
Got subframes on it already. I guess those are BBKs or something. Who knows?
Look at that. Clean in there.
Yeah, rock solid.
It is rock solid.
Dude, even the pinch welds are good. Yeah, this is the 8.8 out of Renfro's 93. Did this have a gear in it?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't either. That was the turbo car. Yeah, let's get up here to the front. Like I said, guys, we may end up putting a K member up. Not sure. Drop us a comment below. Do you want a K member in it? Yeah. Got eye box struts on it. Even the core support, it's got one little dent there. Yeah, like I said, guys, the next step is we got to clean all this out and get the engine bay resprayed back white. We'll be good to go. I mean, look at this. She is clean. Sure enough, look at that. Got an eye box front and rear. What about it? Not bad.
Ain't got no drums on it, but we got lots of 4
Yeah, we got lots of drums. Shoot, yeah. Clean as a whistle under here. I guess we're gonna swap that tank real quick just to get it back in there. Shop's starting to smell like gas a little bit. Yeah. We still got some of the exhaust hangers up there.
Yeah,
yes,
got
sir.
one of the front ones. Which I got them on the card over there.
True. Yeah, so we good there. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. So kind of got you up to date on what we're doing as far as the car goes, but also quick note, we did the redraw last night, and congratulations to David Benson. He is the winner of Project Two-Tone. Also, he's gonna get with me here shortly, and but the plan is at this time we're probably going to present the car to him at Foxtoberfest. So very excited about that. If his schedule allows, it's kind of a last minute deal, but yeah, looking forward to that. And like I said, guys, this one's going to be pretty badass. So stay tuned for this build. We still need a name. Don't really have a name. It's going to be white and it's a notchback. So drop me a comment below what you think we ought to name this bad boy. And in the meantime, we'll catch you on the next one.